Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Adam Haris and today I will be explaining question 1. What is differentiation? Differentiation is a concept from calculus that means finding how something changes. For example, if you are traveling in a car, differentiation helps you find your speed at a particular moment. And also, differentiation gives you the slope or steepness of your graph at a specific point. What is the technique of differentiation? For the technique of differentiation, we have the power rule. You use power rule when you have x to the power of n of something. Next, we have the constant rule. The derivative of a constant is always going to be 0. We have also the derivative of sums and difference. This is the formula of derivative of sum. You have to, and this is the formula for difference. Next, we have the product rule. This is the formula for the product rule, which we use it when two functions are multiplied. And this is the quotient rule, which is we will use it when one function is divided by another. Next is the chain rule. We will use it when function is inside another function. This is the chain rule. We will use it when the function is inside another function. I will also explain the question 2. For question 2, we have to find dy dx for the following function. For a, y is equal to 3x tan multiplied by tan 2x plus 1. We have to use the product rule, which is what we written before. So we let u equal to 3x power of 2, and then we find the derivative of u. So the derivative of u is 6x. And then we let v equal to tan 2x plus 1. We find the derivative of v prime is equal to sec 2x plus 1, and then we multiply by the function inside. We have 2 sec power of 2 sec power of 2x plus 1, and then we apply the product rule, which is 3x power of 2 multiplied.
For the question 3, the given question is y ln 3x minus exponent 2x plus 1 equal 3x squared plus tangent 4y. For this question, we will be using the implicit differentiation technique. The reason is because x and y are mixed together. Also, y in the equation is not written implicitly in terms of x. So first step is we divide the function inside the question. So in this question, we can divide it into four different functions. That is y ln 3x, exponent 2x plus 1, 3x squared, and lastly tangent 4y. First function, y ln 3x. For this function, we will be using the product rule, that is u v prime plus v u prime. First, we assign the u and v. So for the u will be y, and for v will be ln 3x. So u equal to y. To differentiate y, first we need to differentiate it like a normal, that is, we differentiate y, we will get 1, and we need to multiply it y prime. So for the u prime, we will get y prime. Next, for the v is equal to ln 3x. So to differentiate the ln, we need to 1 over x. So we can consider this for the general one is like this, ln x. So when we differentiate it, we become 1 over 3x. And it's not over yet. We need to multiply it. We need multiply with differentiate x inside the line. So we 3x, when we differentiate, we will get 3. So v prime, we will get 3 over 3x. Simplify, we'll get 1 over x. For the function number 2, y equal to exponent 2x plus 1. For this function, we will be using the chain rule. So y equal to exponent 2x plus 1. When we differentiate the exponent, first we need to write it back. The exponent, that is exponent 2x plus 1, and we need to multiply it with the x. So usually exponent will be like this, the general form, exponent power x. So we need to differentiate the x. So when we differentiate 2x plus 1, we will get 2x, we will get 2, and 1 we will get 0. So we don't count 0. And the final answer for the dy dx, for the exponent, we will get dy dx equal to 2 exponent 2x plus 1. For the function number 3, y equal to 3x squared. This one is easy. We will just using the power rule. That is y equal to 3x squared. When we differentiate it, dy dx is equal to 6x. And lastly, y equal to tangent for y, we'll be using a chain rule. That is y equal to tangent for y. So when we differentiate the tangent, we will get the second square and write it back the x. So the general form is usually like this. So we get second square 4y, but for this question it will be y. And when we differentiate it, we're not done yet, and next we need to differentiate the x. So but define x, but for the question it will be 4y. So like earlier, when we differentiate y, first we differentiate like normal. For we got 4, and we need to write it y prime, and the final answer will be dy dx equal to 4y prime second square 4y. Oh, I forgot to mention. I forgot earlier in the first function, because we're using a product rule, we're not finished yet. We need to put it in the equation, that is u v prime plus v u prime. So it's here. So u v prime plus v u prime. So we will take u is equal to y. So y times v prime is 1 over x plus v is ln 3x, and u prime is y prime. So when we put it together, we will get y over x plus y prime ln 3x. Okay. So for the next step, we will substitute everything back into the question. So the first function is first function is we just put everything back in the equation. So y over x plus y prime ln 3x minus 2 exponent 2x plus 1 is equal to 6x plus 4y prime second square 4y second 4y. Alright, so after we substitute everything back, next step is we move all the y prime to the left side. So when you move all the y prime to the left side and the rest to the right, so we will get y prime ln 3x minus 4y prime second square 4y is equal to 6x minus y over x plus 6x minus y over x plus 2 exponent 2x power 2x plus 1. After we move all the y prime to the left, we need to factorize the y prime. So when we factorize it, we will get y prime ln 3x minus 4 second square 4y is equal to 6x plus 2 exponent power 2x plus 1 minus y over x. Then last step is we divide the ln 3x minus 4 second square 4y to the right side, so we will get y prime is equal to 6x plus 2 exponent power 2x plus 1 minus y over x over ln 3x minus 4 second square 4y. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Zanwa. Today, I will explain question 4, which is estimate using linear approximation. This is the question. We will be using formula Lx equal Fa plus F prime A x minus A. First, we will define the function. Assume x is 80.99. Then, we will simplify it into this. And then, we will substitute it into this function. Since 80.99 is very close to 81, let A equal to 81. F 81 equal to 81 the power of 1 over 4 minus 2 81 the power of minus 1 over 2. And then we will calculate it into the answer. The final answer is 25 over 9. After that, we will differentiate fx equal x the power of 1 over 4 minus 2x the power of negative 1 over 2. After we differentiate it to this, we will substitute x into 81, and then we will get the answer 31 over 2916. After that, we will using the formula L 80.99 equal 25 over 9 plus 31 over 2916. 80.99 minus 81, and then we will calculate it, and then this is the 2 decimal place. This is the final answer, 2.78. Thank you.